Are you looking for the best air fryer? You are in the right place. There are many different models on the market, and choosing the right one for you will depend on your specific needs and preferences. Here are a few factors to consider. For example, how much food can the air fryer hold? This is important to think about, especially if you cook for a large family or have a small kitchen. What features would you like? Some air fryers have additional features like multiple cooking baskets, a rotisserie function, or the ability to dehydrate foods. Decide which features are most important to you and look for an air fryer that offers them. Then you need to consider ease of use. Is the air fryer easy to use and clean? Some models have digital displays and multiple cooking settings, while others are more basic. Price: air fryers can range in price from under £99 to over £300. Determine your budget and look for an air fryer that fits within it. Reading reviews from other customers can be helpful in getting a sense of the pros and cons of different models. There are many highly rated and well-reviewed air fryers available, so you should be able to find a good option no matter your budget. Now, let's take a look at the top 5 air fryers under £300. The Philips HD 9641/96 air fryer. This popular choice has a dual basket and a large capacity of 1.4 pounds, making it great for families. Its digital display and multiple cooking settings make it easy to use, and the baskets are dishwasher safe. Additional features in this air fryer include innovative fat removal technology, and it gives you better tasting fried food with the least amount of fat. It preserves the taste you like. That's the Philips Air Fryer XXL with fat removal technology. Then there is the Tefal Actifry Genius. This air fryer has a large capacity and is very versatile, with a range of cooking programs and a digital interface. It also has a dual basket design and uses hot air to cook food evenly, producing great results every time. Its long lifespan and low power consumption make it very efficient. It also comes with a fully modernized recipe book to get you started. Or how about the GoWise USA GW22956 air fryer? This is a budget-friendly option with a dual basket and a large capacity. This air fryer has a simple dial control and 7 preset cooking functions. Its baskets are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. You could also try the Instant Pot Vortex Plus air fryer. This is a versatile appliance and can be used as an air fryer, rotisserie, and dehydrator. Its dual basket and 8.5-liter capacity make it ideal for larger families. It has a digital display and 10 cooking functions, and its baskets are dishwasher safe. Finally, you could try the Cuisinart Air Fryer Max XL. This is another popular choice. It has a dual basket and a large capacity of 6 liters. It has a digital display and 11 cooking functions, and its baskets, yes, you've guessed it, they are dishwasher safe. It also comes with a recipe book and a 100-day money-back guarantee. Overall, these top 5 air fryers under £300 with dual baskets offer a good combination of features and value. They are easy to use and have a large capacity, making them great for cooking for families or groups. Their dishwasher-safe baskets also make them very easy to clean. Thanks for viewing and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now.